Hi, Gwendolyn.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi.
So, a lot of people have been asking about you.
Yeah.
I wanted to know how you've been doing.
Oh, I'm doing okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
Oh, well, I've been stuck in this tin can.
You've been stuck where?
In the tin can.
In a tin can.
Yes. Like tuna.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Well, driving down the road,
Uh-huh.
going different places.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Have you been driving?
No, they aren't letting me drive.
Why not?
I don't know.
No?
No. Could be because I don't have a license, but, you know, I figure if kids can eat someplace for free, I should be able to drive for free.
I think you should. I think you should.
Yeah,
So, tell me about your hat.
it's my Canadian hat.
Your Canadian hat?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah?
it's
You
cold.
Is it?
Well, not really. But people down where we're at think that it's cold.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
they don't know what cold is.
They don't know what cold
Oh
is.
no.
No.
Haven't got a clue.
No way.
Not one.
No.
No,
No.
no.
Because you visited Canada for a long time.
I didn't visit, I lived there.
You lived there.
Yeah.
Oh, did you like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was good?
Yeah, but you have to apologize all the time.
You do?
Yeah. But that's what Canadians do. They apologize all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
No.
sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. It's our fault, I'm sorry.
So, what else? What else is new?
Uh, Not much. I
No?
mean, we've been just going different places.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Have you seen nice things?
yeah.
What'd you see?
My new house.
You have?
Yes.
Where?
It's in San Simeon, and it's called Hearst Castle.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, and we got the name changed to Gwendolyn's Castle.
Oh, I
Yes,
see.
we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Uh,
got 2 pools.
2 pools?
Yeah,
Wow, aren't you lucky?
I know.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yes.
And what else?
Uh,
What else did you see?
we saw some zebras.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Wow, real one?
yes, on
Really?
the side of the road.
Really?
Yes,
Wow.
yes, they were selling oranges.
Yeah?
Yes.
They were selling
Yeah,
oranges? The zebras?
yeah, with the
Wow.
cows.
And the cows?
Yes,
Wow.
I know.
Amazing.
It was.
Wow.
Yes, we saw those, and we saw elephant sea lions.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
What were they doing?
sleeping.
Sleeping.
Yes, they kind of look like Murphy.
Really?
Yeah, on their backs, rolling around,
Oh, yeah.
making noises.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
What kind of noise?
like that.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
wow.
did. They did.
They did, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we don't have a lot more time,
Okay.
but if you have one thing to say to people, what would you say for now?
Well, I'm having a good time. I hope you're having a good time. And, write us cards and letters and everything on this blog because it's by a website. And I'll try to be more, what's that word? Diligent and getting more things out here because there's a lot of things I could tell to all of you. It's really, Anyway, I hope you all have a good day and a good night and hopefully a good chuckle. Bye bye. We love you.